Hey everyone, welcome back to Flights Assistance. If you're planning a trip with Akasa Air in 2026, whether it's a quick domestic hop or an international getaway, baggage rules are super important to avoid those surprise fees at the airport. Today, I'm breaking down the latest Akasa Air baggage policy, no major changes in 2026, so these are the current rules straight from the official site. Let's dive into the 5 key points you need to know. Hit that like button if you're flying soon, and subscribe for more travel tips. Point 1. Cabin baggage, hand luggage, allowance. First up, what you can carry on board for free. Akasa allows one piece of hand baggage up to 7 kilograms per passenger. The total dimensions, length plus width plus height, must not exceed 115 centimeters, that's including handles and wheels. Think of it as a standard cabin trolley or backpack. Plus, you can usually bring a small personal item like a laptop bag, purse, or duty-free shopping bag, as long as the total weight stays under 7 kilograms. Pro tip, weigh your bag at home. Akasa is strict about this to keep boarding smooth. No changes here in 2026. Point 2. Checked baggage for domestic flights. Moving to checked-in luggage for flights within India. The standard free allowance is 15 kilograms per passenger, one piece only. Each bag can't exceed 32 kilograms individually, and the total dimensions, L plus W plus H, should not go over 158 centimeters, about 62 inches. This is the same across most fares, no big updates for 2026. If you're traveling with family, remember it's per person, not combined. Overweight? Pre-book access online for cheaper rates, more on that later. Point 3. Checked baggage for international flights. For international routes, except Phuket, Akasa is more generous, up to 30 kilograms total checked baggage, allowed in 2 pieces, each max 23 kilograms typically, but combined weight matters. Dimensions still max at 158 centimeters per piece. For Phuket specifically, it's 20 kilograms in one piece. This makes Akasa great for longer trips or students heading abroad. Again, no policy shifts reported in 2026, double-check your booking as some fares might vary slightly. Point 4. Special allowances and extras, infants, students, etc. Don't forget the extras. Infants, under 2 years, get no free checked baggage but can have one handbag up to 7 kilograms plus a stroller or pram. Students on special fares often get an extra 10 kilograms checked allowance, up to 25 kilograms total in some cases. Other perks, sports equipment, musical instruments, or religious items may have special rules, declare them early. If you need more space, pre-book excess baggage on the Akasa website or app for up to 20% discounts compared to airport rates, around 550 to 600 Indian rupees per extra kilogram at the counter. Point 5. Excess baggage tips and how to save money. Last but most important, excess fees can add up fast. Always pre-purchase extra weight online, up to 2 hours before departure, for the best deals. Airport payments are higher and non-refundable in most cases. Pack smart, use a scale, distribute weight, and check your fare type during booking. Some premium options include more baggage. No major 2026 updates mean these rules are stable, but always verify on akasa.com/baggage right before your flight, as minor tweaks can happen. There you have it, the top 5 points on Akasa Air's baggage policy for 2026. Safe travels, pack light, and fly stress-free. Drop a comment. What's your next Akasa destination? Like, share, and subscribe for more airline guides. See you in the next video.